When you cough or sneeze, cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow, never with your hand.
You're so good at sneezing, Adrian.
Thanks, Marinette.
No more physical contact or kissing anyone until the evil virus is gone.
Huh? No more kissing? Really?
Cat Noir.
Sorry.
Finally, only use disposable paper tissues, then throw away the tissues into a trash can.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Marinette.